Hi, this is Sharon. Here's a little sampler from my Burning Academy. Enjoy!
As you can see here, I have an area that's much tighter grain right in this area. So I'm slowing down, trying to go quickly through the other areas and then adjust my speed. Try and keep it as clean as I can. Alright, what I'm doing now is I'm really trying to just smooth out. I decided to go along the grain line. And when you burn at a low heat, what happens is that you compress all the wood fibers. What I'm doing is at a very low heat, I'm actually ironing out this area so that I could try and get a little bit better shading as I go around, because I do want to shade along the contours so that I can show the shape of this area. But because the wood is so uneven and rough, what I need to try and do is smooth it down. Now be careful when you're doing this step that you're not pressing down, that you're using the heat to iron, because if you press down you'll create ridges, and you want to make sure that there's no ridges. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it can be done. Working on getting this as smooth as possible. As you can see, I'm really not burning much of anything. I'm going to go through, because there are a few little ridges. It's almost impossible to eliminate that. My heat is very low, so I can get away with doing this. I have to be very, very careful. Okay, that should be ironed out pretty well, because what I've done now is with the low heat, I've compressed the fibers of the wood. So now I should be able to go through and get more directional burns.